Assalamualaikum. Hi friends, welcome back to Subi and Mahira's world. I am Mahira and today I have went to the 5th grade and today we are gonna study about classification of animals number 1 and number 2. Let's open our book. So here we have the index classification of animals 1 and 2. So page number 1 and the second one is on page number 8. So here we have got to the lesson. We have come to the lesson. So here are the learning objectives. To classify animals into different categories on the basis of their characteristic features. In our previous classes, we have studied how animals differ in their behavior and physical features. To make the study of animals more organized, they have been classified into several groups. Okay, so here they have given the table of animals' habitats. Here, eating habits of the animals: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. Herbivores are the animals who only eat plant and they chew cud, and carnivore are the animals who eat the killed animals flesh. Omnivores are omnivores are the animals who eat plant and the meat. Scavengers are the animals who eat the dead and rotten flesh of the animal. Method of reproduction: viviparous, oviparous. Viviparous are mammals and they give birth to young ones. They give live birth. And oviparous are the animals which lay eggs. You can see the O, that's considered as egg. Animals and their body temperature: cold-blooded animals, warm-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals are the animals that cannot regulate their body temperature. Warm-blooded animals are animals that can regulate their body temperature. Body structure: vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrates are animals who have the backbone, and invertebrates are the animals who don't have a backbone. Okay, so we have moved on classification on the basis of their eating habits. On the basis of food habits, animals are classified in various groups. Herbivores, you can see the definition of the herbivores here. You can see it properly, and if someone asks what is herbivore, you can answer or you can by heart this and tell them. So they are the animals that eat plants. They have broad and flat teeth. They have broad and flat teeth to help them chew food into smaller pieces so they can digest it easily. Means they can swallow it easily and digest the food which went to the stomach. Okay, some animals like cows, deer, and sheep have to rechew their food. If we rechew their food, that thing is called cud. The food that they eat come back into their mouth after it gets swallowed into their stomach. They rechew this food which is called cud. Cow, deer, sheep, cud chewing animals. Giraffe, deer, elephant, and kangaroo are herbivores. Okay, carnivores. They are the animals that get food from killing and eating other animals. Means they kill the animals and they eat the flesh of the other animals. They have long, sharp, and strong canines to tear away the flesh of animals. They have a canine that I think it looks like a vampire teeth. Okay, here are the carnivorous animals: snake, spider, lion, hawk, and shark. They are the carnivorous. Okay, omnivores. Omnivores are some animals eat plants as well as the flesh of other animal. They are called omnivores. Bears, jackals, dogs, cats, crows are omnivores. And there are many examples who are omnivores. So yeah, humans are also omnivores as they eat meat, fish, and uh, well as fruits and vegetables. Some human are herbivores, like which Hindus like Brahmins and all, Lingayat and all. So they don't eat this. They don't eat egg, fish, meat, and all. So here scavengers. They are the animals that eat the remains of dead animals, means the rotten flesh of the animal. Scavengers usually eat animals that have either died naturally or been killed by other carnivores. Vultures and hyenas are scavengers. Yes, that's true. Vulture, hyena. Classification on the basis of mode of reproduction means how they make baby. So, on the basis of mode of reproduction, animals are classified into viviparous and oviparous animals. Viviparous animals viviparous animals produce young ones that develop within the mother's body. Most mammals and some other animals are viviparous. Humans, horse, cattle, and dog are viviparous animals. Animals with their young ones. So oviparous animals. So I told you that they lay eggs. Oviparous animals reproduce by laying eggs. The eggs are usually protected by a hard shell. These eggs later hatch into young ones. Spider, scorpion, fish, and birds are oviparous animals. Classification on the basis of their body temperature. On the basis of body temperature, animals are classified into cold-blooded and warm-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animals. So I told you that animals that cannot regulate the body temperature are called cold-blooded animals. Their body temperature varies according to the temperature outside. For example, during the day when it is hot, their body also absorb heat, and their temperature increases at night. When the sun sets, their bodies become cooler as it is less warm outside. Crocodile, tortoise, and fish are cold-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals. Animals that can regulate their body temperature are called warm-blooded animals. They can keep their body warm even when it is cold outside. Whatever is the temperature outside, warm-blooded animals have the body temperature that usually stay the same. Mammals and birds are warm-blooded animals. You will study about vertebrates and invertebrates in the next lesson. Okay. So here we have a recap. On the basis of eating habits, animals are classified as herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and scavengers. On the basis of method of reproduction, animals may be viviparous or oviparous. Cold-blooded animals cannot regulate their body temperature. Animals that can regulate their body temperature are called warm-blooded animals. Word bank. Hatch means to cause an egg to break and allow young animal to come out. Regulate means to control. Varies means to differ, mean different. Carnivores, flesh-eating animals. So here is the writing part. We are not gonna write. We are gonna move to the next lesson. So this is our next lesson, page number 8. So classification of animals 2. To identify animals as vertebrates or invertebrates and to study their features. Classification on the basis of presence or absence of backbone. Animals with internal skeleton made of bones along with a backbone are called vertebrates. It includes 5 groups of animals: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. These animals are usually in big size. Fact file: 98% of animal species are invertebrates, only 2% are vertebrates. Animals that do not have a backbone are called invertebrates. It includes insects, flatworms, and these animals are usually small and move slowly. Okay, so here we came to vertebrate. Animal with backbone are vertebrates. They are classified into following 5 groups. Fish. They are vertebrate because they have a skeleton. They are vertebrates that have a skeleton made up of either bones or cartilage. About 94% of fishes have a skeleton made up of bones. The tail fin helps fish to swim by moving side to side. Other fins help the fish to change direction. Many fish eat plants, while others, such as the shark, eat other fish. This is the shark, so it eats the other fish. Rohu. So activity name for fishes. We are not gonna do that. I'm just gonna explain you the chapter. Amphibians are the animals. They lay their eggs in water. The tadpole or new frog looks like a fish. It has a small tail that helps. It has small tail that helps it to swim and gills to breathe in water. Gradually, it develops into a frog, loses its tail and gills, and develops legs to move on land. Amphibians can live on land as well as in water. Means they can live on both land and water. They can breathe through gills, lungs, or moist skin. Tomorrow we will study about classification of animals too. Today I only teach the two pages. I explained it 2 pages just because now it's the I have to like go somewhere. That's why tomorrow I will see, or day after tomorrow I will see the part 2. Again that 2 pages. Till I did only 8 pages. I have to continue 7, 8, 9. I mean, I have to continue the 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 pages. So today that's all for now. So if you understand, please comment and like. If you don't want to watch this video, just go away. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.